What Google-endorsed strategy increases success in Gen AI adoption? A. Rapid implementation. B. Bottom-up. C. Multi-directional. D. Top-down. Correct option, D. A top-down, leadership-driven approach aligns with business goals. A news agency needs real-time summarization of live news. Which Google solution fits best? A. Document AI. B. BigQuery. C. Vertex AI Natural Language API. D. Grounding with Google Search. Correct option C. For text analysis like summarization, Vertex AI's Natural Language API is ideal. Low/no-code and pre-trained models on Google Cloud help teams with limited AI experience to launch solutions quickly. True or false? Correct option, true. One of Google Cloud's major benefits is its out-of-the-box model and tool support, which offering includes infrastructure, tools, and pre-trained models for Gen AI on Google Cloud. A. BigQuery. B. Vertex AI.
C. GK.
D. Cloud storage. Correct option, B. Vertex AI is the unified platform for model training and deployment. Where should teams store and manage model versions and metadata? A. Cloud storage. B. Model registry. C. BigQuery. D. Vertex AI pipelines. Correct option, B. Model registry is built for tracking model versions and metadata. Using Google Agent Builder to enhance enterprise document search and automate tasks adds what business value? A. Better real-time team communication. B. Improved interoperability with legacy systems. C. Boosted productivity with AI assistance. D. Granular user access control. Correct option, C. Agents improve productivity and data interaction. What's the definition of generative AI? A. AI that autonomously learns using deep neural nets. B. AI that creates new content, text, images, music, code. C. Brain-inspired algorithmic models. D. Predictive regression models. Correct option, B. Generative AI specifically refers to content creating capabilities.